Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Think India. If you are new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Today in Think India kitchen, we are going to make a special and simple mixed vegetable curry, which is my own creation. I randomly picked some ingredients and the result was amazing. It tastes delicious. So I thought to share this recipe with you and I named it as Veg Pasand. So this recipe specially to you all from my kitchen. Let's go and check out the recipe. Choose any veggies of your choice. I have eggplants, bell pepper, cauliflower florets, some carrots, some French beans, an onion and potatoes. Wash, cut them into cubes and set aside. Let's make a powder out of sesame and dry coconut for the gravy. For that, take sesame seeds and dry or desiccated coconut. Now heat up a pan and dry roast coconut for a few minutes on low flame. After a couple of minutes, add the sesame seeds and roast further on low flame till they turn golden brown in color. And then cool down completely and blend it into a fine powder and keep it aside. The ingredients for the gravy are salt, cumin powder, chili, coriander powder, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, oil and coconut milk. Now for the gravy, as usual, heat up a pan and add 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil. Add onions and saute for a couple of minutes. Add ginger garlic paste. Saute it on medium heat for a minute and add turmeric powder so that the rawness in turmeric goes away and it gives a nice color to the gravy. First add potatoes since they take a bit longer to cook. Saute for a couple of minutes on medium heat. Then add other veggies one by one. For this recipe, you can use any vegetables of your choice like green peas, bottle gourds, broccoli, zucchini, turnips, any of your favorite vegetable. So I've added all the vegetables. Mix well, cover and cook on a medium heat for at least 10 minutes or till the vegetables turn soft. Now make sure that you keep stirring in between so that the veggies do not stick to the bottom of the pan. After 10 minutes, the vegetables look perfect, they are soft, and now it's time to add the spices. Add all the spices, mix well. And add the prepared sesame and coconut powder. Mix everything well, add 60 milliliters of water. Cover and cook on medium heat for at least like 2 or 3 minutes. Now after 3 minutes, add coconut milk. Mix. Cover and cook further for a couple of minutes, and that's it. Turn off the heat and the delicious vegetable curry is ready to serve. Believe me, it tastes absolutely fantastic. You must try it. And how easy and simple was that? It has the sweetness from coconuts, the nuttiness from the sesame seeds, and of course the earthy flavor from the spices. It goes very well with chapati or rice. So please try it out and let me know in the comment section below how your Veg Pasand has turned out. If you like the recipe, please like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and until next time, Namaste.